Hi, we're really looking forward to our next SBC open house in Lienz on the 11th and 12th of May. As you all know, we have paper shortages, we have cost inflation, and this is really driving converters and brands to think how they get better value from the packaging that they have. We will cover how converters need to cope with the challenges of many, many more jobs and how to mass customize in their plants. We will be joined at the event by Thomas Reiner, CEO of Burnt & Partners, a packaging expert that will talk about digital transformation. There'll be the opportunity to work with the latest digital technology to see the quality that comes out of the press on a range of different jobs and different substrates. And we'll also be joined by the whole value chain, paper suppliers, finishing suppliers, showing how you have a logical workflow for digital printing in the corrugated packaging space. Simon Lewis from HiCom will also join us for a special workflow session. So we're really looking forward to greeting you in Lienz in the South Tyrol, 11th and 12th of May, to really understand the possibilities of digital printing in the corrugated packaging market. Please reach out to your local Koenig Bauer distributor for more information. Looking forward to seeing you then.